Hi traders, tired of losing trades? You are not alone, but you can change that. My Telegram group is full of traders making consistent profit every single day, and you can check that. The link is in the description box. And in today's video, I've got some powerful tips and tricks for mastering reversal trading. That's right, we are not following the trend, but we are going against it. Reversal trading means spotting those key moments when the market is about to shift and capitalizing on them. So since it's Sunday, I've decided to take just 3 trades today, and I'll break down exactly why I took each one, so stick with me until the end. You don't want to miss, and let's dive in. So in this particular pair, USD ARS OTC market, if I zoom in a little bit, there's a lot of selling pressure going on. Market is making lower lows, right? But at the end, market made a double bottom pattern, right? So I'm going to take trade against the trade because of this confirmation. Double bottom pattern means market has reversed twice from the same point. You see how much of selling pressure was going on, right? But even though there's a lot of selling pressure, I have chose to take a call option trade, because if I place a horizontal line here, what market did, market bounced twice and now it is going to go up. Because of this double bottom pattern, I have placed my trade, and the last candle, which was a red doji with longer upper wick and a very less lower wick, that also confirmed me that the market is going to go up. And this is a big green candle and 100% ITM trade. Even if we are taking trade against the trend, we can have 2 to 3 confirmation and we can place our trades. So we can take our trades in both direction if we know how to take the confirmation. Okay, so now let's switch to another chart and let's find a good opportunity. So what market is doing, market is here in a downtrend situation, right? Meaning that market is making lower lows. But let's mark up the level and find that perfect trade opportunity. Okay, so what market did here, if I place a horizontal line, market has reversed thrice, right? And now market is trying to break out of that supply zone, correct? And if I copy the same line and mark it as so, the next target of the market would be this one, the next reversal point, correct? So let's see what the current candle is doing and if I can place my reversal trade here. So the current running candle should be a red one, because if I see the previous green candle, the previous green candle is a hammer which closed below the wick of the previous green candle. It closed inside the previous green candle, right? So the current running candle needs to be a red one. Okay, however, the hammer has closed above our supply zone, meaning that the trend should continue, right? So I will be taking my counter trade here. I will not get tricked by OTC market. I will think like a broker, and after this red candle I will be taking my reversal trade. Okay, I'll go for a call option trade rather than following the trend. I will follow it opposite. So this is a big red candle which has completely fulfilled the previous green candle, a hammer candle, and now I'm taking a opposite direction trade. Okay, and the confirmation here was big buying pressure from the bottom, right? And the second confirmation was FFLC. The big red candle has completely fulfilled the previous green hammer candle and market needs to reverse. And the third confirmation was the previous green hammer is out of our supply zone. Okay, these three confirmation is enough for me to take a reversal trade here, and this is also 100% no doubt ITM trade. These tiny details really matters if you are trading in binary option, because we are taking trade in a very small time frame and the trade is only for 1 minute. So we need to be very focused and precise with our analysis. Okay, so this kind of knowledge you will gain slowly and slowly after years of trading experience. And after this green candle I will not be taking any more trade for the continuation, because the major trend is still downtrend. So I'll not be taking any more trade here. So I'm going to change my chart and let's see what is going on here. This is the same chart, right? Okay, there was a breakout. So what market is doing here? You have to see what market situation is here. A big red candle has broke out, right? Market is now sort of ranging and sort of like downtrend. So let's see how the candle reacts in our supply zone, and we will be taking trade accordingly. Okay, so this is a big healthy green candle. After this candle, a lot of traders, what they do, as far as I know, they will take same direction trade for a call option, but I will wait for one red candle because market is downtrend. Okay, I will wait for one red candle, and after that only I'll be taking my next trade for call option. It'll be a counter trade because the major trend is downtrend and the market has reached to a supply zone. So there needs to be one red candle. So let's see what the current candle does. If this is not a red candle, but if it's a small green hammer which is very weak, then also we can take a reversal trade for the downward direction. But here I'm looking for a call option trade, so as I am taking a reversal trade, I will be looking for a red candle here, and then I'll be taking my counter trade to the upside. Why? Because if I see down, market has also made a W pattern, a double bottom pattern. Okay, I'll mark that up. But let's see this candle. Okay, this is a good healthy red candle which has fulfilled the previous green candle. Okay, and now I'm going to take my call option trade because this trade is also based on FFLC, fulfill last candle. This red candle has completely fulfilled the previous green candle, and the previous green candle was very healthy green candle. These two are the logic, and the double bottom pattern here. There are a lot of wicks here which market has reversed. This will act as a very strong level of support. So market has gone up with the support. So after the red candle and after the confirmation of FFLC, I've taken a call option, a counter trade, and this is also 100% ITM trade. So I have only decided to take 3 trades today, and this will be my last trade. So if you have any confusion or any queries, you can directly message me in my Telegram, or you can comment me down in my YouTube comment section. I will be happy to help. And with these sort of logic, you can take reversal trade. You can practice these tips and tricks in your demo account, and you can switch back to your real account. Okay, so with this, I am signing out for today. This is it for Sunday OTC market. I have also provided a good quality signal in my VIP channel, and everyone made profit out of it. So with this, I'm signing out for today. Bye guys.